Another banger.
Hey everybody, it's your girl rareafrican and welcome back to my channel. So nice to see you guys again. Today I got you guys with a quick short unboxing video. I'm going to be reviewing the UGG and Telfar bag collab collection, however you want to call it. I got it right here with me. I actually received this like a few weeks ago and I did film a video on it, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I'm just refilming again. So this duster that I have the bag in, it comes with a bag, so no need to worry about trying to purchase that separately or anything. It comes with a bag. Honestly, all of the Telfar bags come with a duster bag, so you'll be able to protect your bag and make sure no makeup or dust or anything will get on that bag. So this is basically the bag. Yes. Before I go ahead and open this bag, I actually want to first get the details out of the way, the frequently asked questions that many people might have or ask, which is what size I got. So the size that I got is the small size, as you guys can see here. They only had the small size and then the medium size, and I'll show you guys a picture of basically the difference of the small and the medium. It is quite of a difference. I wish there was a size in between the small and the medium, but I'm not upset at how this particular style is small, just because it's like a cute little statement item to have in your winter wardrobe. Even though we're in the summer right now, this is honestly a great item to have for the fall and winter, just because of the UGG fur and shearling that you guys will see on this bag. So the price for the small size, it was $192 and shipping was free, so you didn't have to worry about paying extra or anything like that. So this UGG bag is actually a few more dollars more than the regular Telfar bag, but I would say like 30-40 bucks more compared to the standard regular Telfar bag. So I ordered this bag in November of 2020 and I received it in March 2021. Wow, I said that I got it a few weeks ago. Girl, it's been like a month or two. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, I don't know why I've been holding this bag off. Maybe just because I wasn't sure if honestly y'all were going to, you guys wanted to see the bag or what, but here I am. I'm dropping the video. If you guys want to see it, you guys, here it is. If you don't want to see it, I guess I'll see you later. But anyways, yes, I received the bag in March 2021 of this year. Telfar bags take a while to come in, especially with like the bag security program. It's made to order, so order to made, made to order, one of those things. Basically, if you put in an order, they make it for you. And with the UGG, I know it was just a one-time thing. I don't know, I feel like they might do it again this winter. Actually, I really do feel like they might do it again this winter, or maybe change it up a bit. But this bag was just a one-time drop that I know of. It released in November. I copped it because I was like, you know, this is a cute bag. Like, this is like something definitely you want to cop. So let me go ahead and show you guys the bag. So I'm not over here saying, yeah, it's cute, but y'all can't even see it. So this is the UGG X Telfar bag. Take a look at that material on this cute small size purse. It looks just like an UGG boot. Oops, there was a little thread on that. But it looks just like the UGG boot, the chestnut color with the shearling fur. The same fur that you have it in your UGG boot, UGG slippers, the same thing. This is so cute. It looks just like the regular standard Telfar bag. I just love how the fur just gives you such a winter vibe. If you go on like a cabin trip, this is such a cute, you know, like going out on a date night during the cabin trip or a girls night during the cabin trip kind of bag. And I know I'm always saying date night, girls night, because yes, that's duh. Like when we going out, this would be real cute in the wintertime, taking pictures and everything. I have seen one person take a picture with this bag and wearing it in the summer. I'm just like, I don't know how I feel about that, because wearing fur in the summer is just giving me uncomfortableness. And that's not a word, and I know that, but it's giving me uncomfortableness, okay? And I don't like that. I wouldn't wear fur in the hot heat summer. No, I wouldn't do that. This is definitely, I would say, is a winter fall bag, fall winter bag. So I hope that they come out with this bag again, but if not, I'm pretty sure people are reselling it too, and probably for a ridiculous price. But I just want to show you guys, for those who are curious, just because you guys did appreciate my last Telfar bag video. So The straps are tucked inside the bag. As you guys can see, it's still the same color, the chestnut color that's all over the bag. I literally just stuffed the handles in there and now it's all tangled up. Hold up. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So you could just wear it as the satchel, just like so. Or you could just use the handles, just like so. So definitely love how this versatility with this bag, and the material feels really good. I think this is like suede that's all over the bag. So definitely want to be very careful when you know, make sure you don't get water on it, because suede and water they're not friends at all, they're enemies. So make sure you don't get any liquid on your suede bag or anything, even suede. Yeah, but it's just like the Telfar bag inside. As you guys can see, it has the UGG logo inside, and then you do get that UGG card just like you do with all the other UGG boots or any other UGG shoes that you order. They give you the card, and that just basically has information on like care suggestions, what to avoid, don't expose it in the heat, basically avoid oils and alcohol, and then store in a cool, dry place. Because this is the material is it's the finest material. That's what they're saying right here. It's the finest material. I know that with the fur, I believe it's real fur, like real shearling, and the fur, it is real. So if you are against real fur, I apologize, but at least I'm letting you know that it is real fur. And if you don't mind, there you go, it's real fur. So definitely doesn't feel cheap. It feels very soft and nice, honestly. But yeah, it's well made, guys. I feel like it's even better made than the regular Telfar bag, because this material feels like it's even more sturdier than the regular Telfar. Like, I'll insert my Telfar unboxing video of the first two bags that I got from Telfar. I just didn't like how it wasn't structured. It wouldn't stand still, you know, like it would sometimes flat, like the folding part is still there. But with this bag, it is holding up really nicely, and I really like that. This just feels like a very fine, luxurious bag, and I love it so much. Not really much to say, and look at that detailing with the sewing going on around that T. The Telfar logo is very beautiful, and then with the UGG and Telfar detailing in the back too. The material feels great. I really wish that you guys can feel this right now, because it feels amazing. I can't wait to style this. You guys are definitely going to see some styling videos from me this fall winter season. I'm not gonna do it now because I feel like there's really no point right now, but I'm definitely gonna wait fall and winter, and I'll give you guys some styling tips and ideas that you can wear with your Telfar UGG bag. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw in a little bit of B-roll, make it look all cute and nice. I know this was such a short video, but if I left out any information about this bag, I'll definitely put it on the screen where it needs to be. And let me know in the comment box below if you guys have any questions or any comments about this bag. Like, what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a cop, or do you guys think it's a drop? Let me know your advice, your opinion, anything like that in the comment box below. I'll definitely take a look at it and see where you guys' head is at with this collab. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have not been subscribed to me, that button is probably red on you. So definitely hit that red button and make sure it turns gray, okay? Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can stay notified whenever I post a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.